What do you guys think? You like it? Quality's not too bad. Quality's not too bad. It's a 72 inch. Right now, it's $1,000 right now. $1,000. I mean, just look at it. The metal is not real thick. It's a little bit beefier than a Craftsman box, but it's a nice box. A little bit beefier than, you got the two small drawers. Two small drawers. Then you got the one big drawer here. The top though is $150. Then you got your small side drawers here. What do you guys think? These come in black, red, green, and blue. Now I hope this video comes out good because the way I do it with this, I can't upload directly with my iPhone, well, my phone, because the account is in my wife's name, so I have to send this to her and then she has to upload. So I always play back my videos and they look great, but when they hit upload it, that's when they get a little foggy. So there you go, guys. There's an idea.